Hi YouTube, Tim Uggert here. In this video I'm going to talk about multiplying binomials together. Now there's a few different strategies I'm going to show you, and let's start with problem 1. Let's start with the Punnett Square strategy. So I have the binomial 3x minus 2 times the binomial 4x squared plus 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a Punnett Square here. Okay? And I'm going to segment it into 4 parts, and I'm going to write my first binomial on top, so 3x minus 2. And then let's just change color here. I'm going to write this second binomial on the side here, so 4x squared. And this really doesn't matter. I could have written the second binomial on top. The result would be the same, but you want to pick one side to put them on and place them there. And then I'm going to multiply these together. So I'm going to do 4x squared times 3x, where they intersect, and I'm going to get 12x cubed. Then I'm going to do 4x squared times negative 2, and I'm going to get a negative 8x squared. Then I'm going to do 3x times 5 and get 15x. And then I'm going to do 5 times negative 2 and get negative 10. In this one, I have no like terms that can combine, so I'm just going to write out my solution as 12x cubed. I go from the highest power all the way to the constant, so 12x cubed minus 8x squared plus 15x minus 10. And I'm done with that one. In this next problem here, in problem 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the FOIL strategy. So FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And it refers to where the terms are in regard to the binomial. So I'm going to take the first terms of each binomial, so 5x squared times 10x, and that's going to give me 50x cubed. Then let's change color for the next one. So then we're going to do the outer terms, so 5x squared times 3x cubed. And that's going to give me 15x to the 5th power. Oh, we're multiplying, sorry. We are multiplying by 3y cubed, so I stand corrected here. Let me change this to 3y cubed, and that's going to give me x squared y cubed. Okay, then we're going to do the inner terms. So that's going to be a negative 2y times 10x. And that's going to be a negative 20 xy. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll do the last term, so negative 2y times 3y cubed. And we'll get negative 6y to the 4th power. Okay, so then I can write out my polynomial here as we'll take each of these. So 50x cubed plus 15x squared y cubed minus 20xy minus 6y to the 4th power. Okay, so we're done with that one. All right, let's look at problem 3. In problem 3, I'm going to use a method called double distribution. Okay, so what that method is, I break up each of these terms in the first parentheses and multiply them by both terms in the second parentheses. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x times 4x to the 5th power plus a negative y. I'm just going to write this as plus negative y. And then I'm going to write plus negative 5 times 4x to the 5th plus negative y. Okay, and then we're going to go across and multiply. So 2x times 4x to the 5th power is going to be 8x to the 6th power. 2x times negative y is going to be a minus 2xy. And then we're going to add that to negative 5 times 4x to the 5th power. So it's going to be a negative 20x to the 5th power. And then we're going to do negative 5 times negative y. That's going to be plus 5y. All right, so if I rearrange this, I'll get 8x to the 6th power minus 20x to the 5th power minus 2xy plus 5y. Okay, so for the last one, I'm going to do my favorite method of all, which is the Punnett Square method. I really like this one. A lot of students that I have like this one. It can be adapted to multiplying multiple binomials together, and it's a cool little method. So we have a here, b here, and we're multiplying by b plus c. So a times b is ab. B times b is b squared. 8 times c is ac. And c times b is bc. So we've got ab plus b squared plus ac plus bc. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to support the channel in an alternative way, I'll leave a link to my Teacher Pay Teachers store in the description, as well as my website. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.